we have given three triangles. This triangle is equiangular triangle because we have all angles congruent. What else? So every angle has 60 degrees. We can write this is 60 degrees. Here we have 60 degrees and there 60 degrees. What else? These two triangles are isosceles because we have these two angles congruent and these two angles congruent. So this triangle is isosceles. Because these two angles are congruent, it means that these two sides are congruent. So we have isosceles triangle, and the same here. Because these two angles are congruent, so it means we have here isosceles triangle. What else? Here, because these two angles are congruent, it means that by the third angles theorem, these two angles are congruent too. So by third angles theorem, we have that, let's put that this is angle 1. We have that measure of angle 1 is equal to y degrees. What else we have here? Because we have here full angle, and we know that full angle has 360 degrees, and this is equal measure of angle 1 plus y degrees plus 60 degrees. So we have that measure of angle 1 is equal to y degrees, so we can substitute this and 60 degrees, and we move to the left side, so it will be 360 degrees minus 60 degrees is equal, like I said, measure of angle 1 is y degrees plus y degrees. So we have 360 minus 60 is 300 is equal to y degrees. Let's forget about degrees. So we have, and we'll change the sides to y is equal 300. Now we will divide both by 2 both sides. So we have that y is equal 150. We found y. This is my solution.